Okay, James. So, after last time, I've been thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, right? But it still feels a bit daunting, you know? Where do you even really start after the basics we covered?
Absolutely, Emma. That's a brilliant question. And frankly, it's where a lot of aspiring marketers stumble. See, you can't just, jump in and promote everything under the sun expecting gold. The thing is, before you even think about products or commissions, you need to lay down like a proper bedrock of understanding. It's not just about what affiliate marketing is, but how it really works, and crucially, the ethical side of it all, right?
Right. Okay. So, when you say bedrock, are we talking about understanding the different ways people actually make money? Is it just sell something, get a cut, or is there more to it than that?
Exactly. That's a great probing question, actually. It's not just a simple cut, You've got your cost per acquisition, or CPA, where you get paid when someone buys. But then there's cost per click, where you're paid just for sending traffic. And then the revenue share model, which is often for subscriptions. It's about understanding these models so you can align with offers that suit your content and audience best, yeah? Beyond those models, Emma, it's also critical to grasp how tracking works. Like, how does the merchant know you sent the customer? That's all down to cookies and tracking links. And this is super important, disclosure. Being upfront with your audience that you're earning a commission. It builds trust, and honestly, it's often a legal requirement now. Transparency is absolutely key.
Oh, right. The whole affiliate link thing at the top of a blog post. I see that sometimes. So, it's not just good practice, it's a must. What if you don't do it? Are there actual consequences?
Oh, absolutely. The FTC in the States, for instance, they're quite strict on it. You could face fines or even have your affiliate accounts closed down. It's about protecting consumers, really, ensuring they know they're viewing sponsored content. And beyond that, Emma, think about your personal brand. If you're not transparent, you lose credibility, and that's far more damaging long term. Do you know what I mean? Trust is like everything in this business, totally everything.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So, foundational knowledge isn't just theory, it's practical stuff that keeps you on the straight and narrow and building a good reputation. Got it. So, once you've got that down, what's the very next big hurdle people face?
The very next big hurdle, and honestly, Emma, this is where a lot of people either make or break their entire affiliate journey, is niche selection. It's absolutely paramount. You can have the best content, the best traffic strategy, but if you're not in the right niche, you're just spinning your wheels, yeah?
Niche selection. So, can't you just promote, I don't know, everything? Or, whatever seems popular at the moment? Why is picking a specific area so, super important?
Well, you could try to promote everything, but you'd spread yourself incredibly thin and probably resonate with no one. Think about it. If you're trying to appeal to everyone, you end up appealing to no one, right? A niche allows you to focus, to really become an authority in a specific area. It's where your passion, audience demand, and profitability all perfectly intersect. Do you know what I mean? Without a focused niche, your content gets lost in the noise. Absolutely lost.
So it's about becoming a specialist rather than a generalist. That makes sense. But how do you even start to identify one of those perfect intersections? Is it just what you like, or is there some actual science to it?
It's definitely not just what you like, although personal interest helps a lot, Emma. The best approach, I find, is to blend a few things. First, yes, your passions and hobbies. What do you genuinely enjoy talking about? What problems do you understand or solve in your own life? That's a brilliant starting point for content creation. It makes it so much easier.
Okay, so stuff you're actually interested in? That makes sense. But then, how do you know if anyone else cares about it enough to buy something?
Precisely. That's the second piece, market validation. You need to look for demand. Are people searching for solutions related to your interest? You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to see search volume. Look at online forums like Reddit, Facebook groups, or even Amazon bestsellers in those categories. See what problems people are discussing, what products they're recommending. And crucially, look for existing affiliate products or programs already in that space, because if they exist, it means there's money being made there, right? You want to see that activity.
Wow, so it's a mix of what you know and what the data tells you. That's actually really smart. So if I'm super into like sustainable living, I'd check if there are affiliate products for eco-friendly goods and if people are searching for them. But how do you know if a niche isn't too crowded or like not crowded enough?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? A strong niche, Emma, generally has a few key characteristics. First, it needs sufficient audience size. You don't want it to be too niche where only like 10 people globally are interested, you know? But then on the flip side, you don't want to go for something incredibly broad like health because the competition is just astronomical. So it's that sweet spot, yeah?
Yeah, like health for busy moms over 40 is probably better than just health. Right, so what else makes it good?
Right, exactly. Then you want moderate competition. Some competition is actually a good sign, believe it or not. It shows there's money being made. No competition usually means no money, but you don't want to go head-to-head with giants straight away, do you? Also, you need good product availability, a range of relevant, high-quality affiliate products or services you can promote with decent commission rates. If there are only 1 or 2 products, you're quite limited, aren't you?
Okay, so enough people, some competition but not too much, and actual good products to like promote. That sounds like a solid framework. So if I pick a niche like sustainable living for new parents, I need to make sure there are like enough eco-friendly baby products and resources I can actually earn from. This is way more strategic than I thought.
It absolutely is, Emma. It's about building a sustainable, profitable business. And that starts with those solid foundations and a brilliantly chosen niche. It really does, you know. And once you have that, then you're truly ready for the next big step, creating compelling content.